Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram 2500 and 3500 dually. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the vehicle and remove the rear wheel. Step 3. Unbolt the spring bumper from the OEM bracket and cut off the bracket at the base, where the bracket was welded to the frame rail. Grind to bare metal. Spray the bare metal with weld-through primer. Step 4. Prior to installation, paint the top and bottom of the bracket where the bumper and bolt contact it. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 5. Once the paint is dry, hold the bracket up to the frame rail. Use the silhouette from the factory part to align it. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the bracket in place, then weld all contact points between the bracket and frame rail. Step 6. After installation, paint the remainder of the mount that was not painted in Step 4. Reinstall the leaf spring bumper to the bracket and reinstall the rear wheel.